Hello from Myrtle Beach. We are at Broadway at the beach. We're going to give you a walk around tour and see what's new and what's coming soon. First up is Ripley's Aquarium. If you've never been here, we highly recommend it. This is absolutely our favorite attraction here at Broadway at the beach. Also here they have fish food for sale, and they have these vending machines. They're spread out around the whole complex, and there are some rather large fish you can feed here if you are so inclined. I mean, look at all these guys. They are hungry. Along this side, there are several stores. You've got different types of bath and body, t-shirt shop, knife shop, lots of different options. The handmade knife shop is fairly new. It opened last year, and it replaced the Yankee Candle Company. Then we've got designer sunglasses, and down towards the end you've got Retroactive, which we really enjoy. It's a fun nostalgia-based store. Coming up here is Paula Deen's Family Kitchen. It's a huge two-story restaurant with glass on the second floor that would give you some great views of Broadway at the beach. And they've got the speedboat rides going. Those are for a charge, and they look like a lot of fun. Here's Jester's Jewels. This opened last year, towards the end of last year, so it's also fairly new. And it's in the old Victoria's Secret building, if you remember where that was. And then we've got Toyosaurus, Stupid Factory. There's a good amount of people here today, and it's a gorgeous day. I'm surprised there's not more people on the beach because it's 11:30 right now, so this would be prime beach time, and it is a gorgeous day. So beautiful. The weather's perfect. This is still a mystery. This used to be the Key West Grill, but this closed down, I think it's almost 3 years ago now. It was a long time ago, and it's a huge restaurant building, and it is not open. The good news is Rooster's reopened. They were closed for a short period, maybe just for renovations. And then Johnny Rockets, old location, still nothing, and they've been closed for a while. So I haven't heard what's coming new there. If you know, leave it in the comments below. And if you're enjoying this tour, be sure to give it a thumbs up. We're now headed down the avenue. We got Hard Rock, and right over here is the American Tap House, followed by Wahlburgers. We've eaten at both Hard Rock multiple times and Wahlburgers a couple of times, and we like both. Definitely would recommend each one. Nice thing about Wahlburgers is you can just get quick service. Like these people are sitting out here, you just walk up, order food, sit down where you want. I mean, it's a certain area you can sit in, either inside or outside. Also, here's the Pro Football Hall of Fame. Someone was just asking me about this. We have not been, so I can't give you a lot of information. I think this is its second year in operation, so it's fairly new. Crocodile Rock's Dueling Pianos has been here a long time. Bar Louie's fairly new, it's a couple of years old. And this is Charles Bach Wonders Theater. This is his second year at this location, but he's been here several years at Myrtle Beach. And we do have a video of his show and what it's like. I will link that in the comments below. We definitely enjoyed that and highly recommend it. And here's Dave & Buster's at the end. We're gonna go in there and take a look around. If you've never been to Dave & Buster's, they have a full service bar. They also have a restaurant. They have pool tables, arcade, lots to do here. Yeah, it's pretty chill in here. There's a lot of people outside, but not many people in Dave & Buster's right now. Coming out of the avenue, you've got this full fountain, and straight across is Pavilion Central, which has some rides, which we will get to in a few minutes. And also we're gonna have a video, if it's not already out, on the rides, specifically focused on the rides here at Broadway. So keep an eye out for that, or it may already be out. If it's already out, I'll link it in the description below. So you still have a few more bar restaurants out here. Fat Tuesdays, Senior Frogs. And then coming up here on the right is Ice Cream, which is a fairly new candy and ice cream store. It's, in my opinion, it's similar to It's Sugar, which will pass, but it's a little different, and they had a lot of cool retro candy, which we really enjoy. And then they've been doing a lot of redevelopment. This is new, the pavers are new, palm trees are new. These tree boxes up here with the brick are new, as well as these pavers as well. So a lot of beautification and improvements happening here at Broadway at the beach. And now we're up to Ron John's. The fountain is still the same, but they have also added some brickwork here that was not there before. I know a lot of people really enjoy Ron John's for a gift shop. We've got a couple of restaurant options here. We've got Extreme Pizza and also Landry's. Landry's is seafood, but they also have a lot of other food as well. And so that's another good option if you have a family that has different tastes. Also, Extreme Pizza has some waterfront dining, and that's always a nice thing, as does the Grumpy Monk, which we'll pass in a few minutes right over there. And we definitely recommend the Grumpy Monk, and we have a review of it, so I will link that in the description below. This large upside down building is WonderWorks. It's a large edutainment type, so it's a little entertainment, a little educational, definitely oriented towards kids, but I mean adults can enjoy it as well. So if you have a family, it's a good choice. Directly across from WonderWorks, they have a ropes course that's outside. They also have a ropes course inside, unless they've changed that. Last time we were there, they did. And they also have zip lines that go across the lake. This section of the rides is called Pavilion West. You've of course got the large Ferris wheel, and it has great lights at night. And then you have some more kid-friendly rides. Like I said, we're gonna have another video going into detail about the rides, so keep an eye out for that. The Kentucky Mist Distillery is newer. It's probably been here a couple of years now, but it's on the newer end of things here at Broadway at the beach. Here's the Grumpy Monk that I mentioned earlier. Like I said, we've got a video, I'll link in the description below, but it's really good, and they have a wide selection of craft beers. The Social Coffee Shop did replace the Starbucks here, and I think they did a great job redoing the inside. It's got more space, and so if you're looking for your coffee fix, that's a good place to go. And then right over here, still vacant, is Liberty Tavern. It's been gone for quite a long time. I'd say bordering 3 years now. So I don't know what's gonna go there. Another popular store is the Savannah Bee Company. I've heard a lot of good things about it. It's not actually somewhere that we have been inside, but it gets a lot of rave reviews from other people talking about it. And then fairly new, opened last year, is Bird's Famous Cookies. Now we are to Pavilion Central. There are several rides here. There's a lot of thrill rides in this area, so I definitely recommend you checking our ride video out when it comes out. As we leave Pavilion Central, here is guest services, so if you need to rent strollers, wheelchairs, or just need general help about Broadway, this is a good place to do it. One fairly new store is Popland, and if you are a fan of Funko Pops, this is a store for you. I mean, it is huge, so much to look at. New this year is a brand new show, Anthems of Rock. #1 hits from Queen, Rolling Stones, Bon Jovi, Led Zeppelin, The Beatles, Aerosmith, Chicago, and more. So this actually intrigues us because that sounds like a good show. So if you see this show, let us know. The Hangout and the Key West shops, which are just on the other side of the Hangout, is the absolute newest thing here. It's right on the verge of opening. By the time you see this video, it very well could be open. They've said summer of this year, so it's very much coming soon. It's an entertainment complex that has, you know, food, drinks. That amphitheater over there is going to have live music. So lots going on there, and we have an entire video with more details about that I'll link in the description below. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to click on the video on your screen right now and click subscribe so you won't miss anything new. Thanks so much for watching. Until our next adventure.